Delete the cube. Add the plane. Resize the as ground. Add a text and give it a perfect size and position. Go to edit mode to edit the text. Give a perfect name. Extrude and give a bit depth. Go to Object and convert text to mesh. Now you will find particle system. Before the conversion, you cannot find particle system. Increase the number of particle. Set lifetime and start frame and end frame. Add a inosphere, give it a color. Change render of particle to object. Select the sphere. Give it a color. Make the particle size smaller. For good effect. In viewport display, disable the emitter source. Change the distribution to random. Add a force field. Give the velocity of particle and gravity to 0. Now it good. Change the world color and the plane color. Give some adjustment as per your wish. Increase the particle number. Time to see the result. Cool, right? You can even add animation to the field force to have some movement. And a lot can be done with it. Be creative and see you in next video. Thank you.